Let's talk about some real stuff. Money. Whether you're just starting out in life or managing a growing family, money can feel like that thing you're always chasing but never quite catch. Am I right? But here's the good news. A lot of money mistakes we make are easy to fix. Let's dive in and fix them together so we can stop stressing and start building the future that we deserve. Mistake number 1. We're treating money like a taboo topic. Money is one of those things people avoid talking about, especially in families. Maybe you think that talking about money will cause fights or that your kids won't understand. Well, that's a huge mistake, my friends. Talking openly about money builds trust and sets you up for success. Here's how to fix this. Start the conversation. Have a weekly family money check-in. Talk about what's coming in, what's going out, and what you're saving for. Teach your teens about budgeting in a fun way. Let them have a say in family decisions like planning for a trip or managing weekly groceries. When you open up about money, you create a safe space to grow together. Mistake number 2. We're saving what's left over, which is usually nothing. We've all been there, myself included. You're on a budget. Then the end of the month comes, and guess what? There's no more money left for savings. But here's the hack. Pay yourself first. Try this. Set up an automatic transfer to savings the moment your paycheck hits your bank account, before you even pay bills or even buy groceries. Challenge yourself and your family to save a percentage of any extra income that's coming in, like that tax refund that you're waiting for, bonuses, or even allowance. It will add up faster than you think. Saving doesn't have to feel hard. It can become a habit that works for you, not against you. Mistake number 3, thinking that you can't teach kids about money until they're older. It's so easy to assume that you don't need to teach your kids about money until they're in high school or maybe even college. But the thing is that the earlier they learn, the better. Young adults and even younger kids can handle more than we think when it comes to money. Here's how to fix this. If you have teens, give them some financial responsibilities, like managing part of the grocery budget or handling their own allowance. They will learn how to prioritize their spending. For younger kids, use fun tools like a piggy bank or apps to show them how to save, spend their money, and even share. It's never too early to start teaching good habits. When you involve them in the process, you give them the tools for financial independence. And that's something they will for sure thank you for later. Now, if you're ready to take control of your money and build the future you want, drop a comment in the comments below with the biggest money mistakes you've made. This way we can normalize talking about money and then we can fix it together. Thank you.